Today, we're going to explore the powerful WordPress clusterization feature that allows high-traffic projects to achieve optimal availability and performance. Website performance directly impacts businesses and is a top priority when selecting hosting services. With our pre-configured WordPress cluster, you can handle load spikes, ensure zero downtime, improve performance, reduce maintenance costs, and offer a superb experience for your visitors. Normally, deploying a WordPress cluster can be time-consuming and complex, but with the FullHost.Cloud, you can make a few choices and let it do most of the work for you. Let's dive in and explore the steps involved in creating a WordPress cluster. First, you'll need to decide on a scaling strategy. The FullHost.Cloud allows you to define triggers that will add or remove nodes based on CPU utilization. You can choose between low, medium, or high thresholds. We recommend selecting high to ensure that your cluster adds nodes quickly enough to handle any load spikes. Next, you'll need to choose between LiteSpeed, a high-performance web server, or traditional NGINX PHP. We recommend LiteSpeed for maximum performance. Then you'll need to decide whether to install a MariaDB Galera Cluster for high availability or a standalone MariaDB server. We recommend Galera to ensure top database performance and no data loss if nodes crash. You'll also need a SSL certificate if you plan to use a custom domain for your site. The FullHost.Cloud can generate the certificate for you, so you don't have to do any of the work. Next, you can choose to install a CDN. This will serve your static and media resources from more than 130 locations across the globe, ensuring a superb experience for your site visitor. The CDN also supports the HTTP/3 protocol for an extra performance boost, which helps to improve Google rankings as well as the end-user experience. Finally, you can choose to install a WordPress multi-site network. For this demo, we'll leave it unchecked. Once you've made your choices, you can create your WordPress cluster. The FullHost.Cloud will do all the heavy lifting, and once it's done, you'll receive all the important information via email. Let's take a closer look at the environment topology. A LiteSpeed ADC server runs as a load balancer that redirects requests to app servers that can be scaled vertically and horizontally. This balancer comes with a built-in secure web application firewall that manages rules for dynamic requests, significantly optimizing computing power. App server nodes communicate with a highly available MariaDB Galera cluster to ensure top database performance. Due to a true multi-master topology with automatic new node provisioning, Galera ensures no data loss when nodes crash, no slave lag, and no lost transaction. Now that your WordPress cluster is up and running, you can log into the admin panel, enter your username and password, and get started. Let's access the browser developer console and examine the requests. You'll notice that the resources are being delivered via the HTTP/3 protocol and are originating from the Content Delivery Network, resulting in quicker page load times for visitors all over the world. Regenerating your SSL certificate is a breeze with our SSL add-on, and you won't have to worry about renewal since it's done automatically. let's explore one of the most impressive features of this platform: automatic scaling. We have chosen the fast scaling mode, which means that nodes will be scaled in and out automatically depending on the CPU load. During installation, a trigger was added to the system to scale nodes in and out when the CPU load exceeds a 30% threshold or falls below 10%. Before we simulate high load, let's take a look at the cloudlet's consumption. Currently, the 2 app server nodes consume 4 cloudlets. To put some load on the WordPress site, we will use JMeter with a custom scenario that runs random search queries in 700 threads. We will observe how CPU usage is distributed between the 2 nodes and how the round-robin load balancing strategy works in action. As expected, a new app server node is being created to accommodate the increased load, which provides our WordPress cluster with more resources. Once we stop the JMeter job, we can observe the auto-scaling behavior in action. As soon as CPU utilization drops, the platform removes unnecessary app server instances, allowing for efficient resource allocation. This is just one example of how the FullHost.Cloud can provide a highly available WordPress site in the cloud with automated configuration and scaling. Start your free trial today on FullHost.Cloud.